Hey guys, welcome back. I'm the Bento Buster, and today I'm going to make a kimchi grilled cheese sandwich. You may be thinking to yourself, kimchi and cheese, what the heck is that? Well, trust me, this thing tastes delicious. In fact, this is one of the best grilled cheese sandwiches around. Let's start by cooking our filling. Now to beef up the sandwich, I'm going to add some pork belly, if that makes any sense. And as you can see, this pork belly is extremely thinly sliced. Once cooked, this pork belly is going to be super tender and it's going to add a whole heap of flavor to the sandwich. Now my fry pan is filled with olive oil and it's nice and hot and ready to go. And I've taken the liberty to cut the pork into small pieces, so in it goes, followed by some onion. I'm going to cook those for about a minute or so, and then add some kimchi. Now if you find that your kimchi is a bit chunky and unruly, don't be scared to take out some scissors and cut it down to size. While the sandwich filling is cooking over low heat, I'm going to add some Korean barbecue sauce, aka Yakiniku sauce. Now this combination of Yakiniku sauce, pork and kimchi is a match made in heaven. Now raw kimchi and cooked kimchi are two completely different beasts. Once cooked, the kimchi loses a little bit of heat but becomes sweeter. It's an amazing transformation that I truly recommend you try. Oh, and I'm also going to add some finely chopped green onions. Okay, the filling is done, so I'm going to set this aside and then I'm going to bring out the skillet and start cooking our sandwich. With a grilled cheese sandwich, you have the choice of grilling your bread in either butter or mayonnaise, and today I'm going to use some butter. Though I have been known to do it with olive oil. Now usually I just put it all together and squash it and grill it, but this time I'm going a little bit unconventional. As I'm filming this for YouTube, it's going to be all about the cheese pull, really, isn't it? So I want my sandwich to be as pretty as possible. Now, while I've been talking, I added some Havarti cheese, which is kind of a stretchy bully cheese from Denmark, I believe. I then added that delicious pork and kimchi filling, and then I sprinkled on a little bit more green onion. Now, some of you may be asking yourself, what type of bread is that, Bento Buster? Well, it's some nicely sliced brown bread that I bought from my local supermarket. That's about it, nothing special. You could probably find the same thing in your supermarket too. The good thing about this sandwich is that it's not going to break the bank, but it's going to taste amazing. Okay, now the secret is to cook it inside and out and not let it burn, basically. So to ensure the bread's not burned, well, you just keep on checking it. And you know it's ready when it looks like this. Now look at that, guys. That's a handsome grilled cheese sandwich with some height. In fact, it kind of looks like Grandma's had a glass of milk when her mouth is full. The brown bread is impeccably toasted. The cheese is melted. And we made the effort to make sure that the filling was cooked to perfection. This sandwich means business, and trust me, it's not taking any prisoners. Okay, now it's time to cut it in half and check out if we have a cheese pull or not. Now, how about that for a cross-section? There's plenty of filling, and there was a kind of semi-cheese pull there too. As I mentioned before, this is one of the best grilled cheese sandwiches out there. Can't wait to try it. Oh, now that's the money shot. Check out that cheese pull. By the way, while we've got a little bit of downtime here, you could hit that like button if you've got nothing else to do. And if you haven't subscribed already, well, you could do that as well. Okay, that's business done, so let's get stuck in. Absolutely heavenly. This sandwich has so much flavor, it's kind of hard to describe, but I'll give it a try. As I mentioned before, with the cooked kimchi, it mellows in flavor, but it becomes sweeter. And it really blends in with the cheese, Yakiniku sauce, and the meat. This thing is basically a flavor bomb. You just want more of it. Yep, that's it. It's a Korean barbecue kimchi flavor bomb inside some crispy, buttery toast. I thoroughly recommend you try this sandwich because it's a Bento Buster's original. How about that? It's definitely one of those grilled cheese sandwiches to put on your bucket list. Or you could get off your ass-a-roni and you could make it now. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm the Bento Buster, and I'm out of here. Stay strong. Kia kaha.